wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed.
Good morning. What a lovely day today. We had a thunderstorm last night that was quite dramatic, but we're greeted with absolute beauty. Well, not right now, this is an industrial bit, but some absolute gorgeous views. This Camino is really coming together now in terms of everything that you see around you, but also the camaraderie and the people. It's becoming a complete beautiful Camino, and I'm loving it. 25k to do today. I'm leaving A Fonsagrada.
A Fonsagrada.
I'm leaving A Fonsagrada to go to Grande. No, that was yesterday.
Ocadavo.
Ocadavo.
Cause baby, you deserve some more. But still you're here, and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I have to say. But I'm afraid, and I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. I fall into you. Hey, you couldn't see it coming. You might have thought it, but you couldn't change it. Hey, it's not right or wrong. It's about trying, find the silver lining. Rain and fire, highs and lows, you name it. Cold and warmth, laughs and cries, you have it. The world goes by, and by the time it does, you missed it. You didn't see it, flew by. 'Cause time.
Very strange moment. We are at Casa Maison. I don't know where it is, somewhere coming down the hill, but some of the girls picked up some tarot cards that were on the table, and then I don't know if she's a real witch, but she was very angry about it, and we might be in trouble now.
Say yes, rather than no. Don't let your fears lead. Light is at your feet. Yes, regret is worse than failing. Keep the loved ones close.
This is probably one of the biggest hills I've ever done on Camino. How are you feeling, Dan?
Steep. Probably best you don't talk to me.
Well, that got a bit of sweat going.
It's a killer.
Yeah. Do you feel like you got some new abs? after
Well,
that.
it was cheeky because you'd go up and you'd kind of level off, and then you'd say to yourself, "We've done it."
Done it.
Then it would climb. It was like O Sobrero, but you're not ready for O Sobrero.
Me or you will miss it if you don't catch it in time.
We're still going uphill. Wow.
In time. In time. This love has never been stronger. I'm up in the clouds when you're around, but when you're not, it's getting much harder, and I'm falling down, down.
Morning. Leaving. Well, I thought I'd got the wrong name of the town. There's El Cadabo and Belira. There seem to be two different names for the town, but as it turns out, it is two towns that are so small you only have to walk a street and you're in the other one, which is a complete contrast to where I'm going today, 30k to Lugo, which looks to be about 3 or 4 times bigger than Leon or Burgos or any of those. It looks like a huge town.
Every day a million times, just when I'm thinking of you. You grow on me with every heartbeat. I really hate to wave goodbye. I know it's crazy, but I can't help it when I'm falling down, down. I'm falling down. I'm thinking of you every day a million times, hoping you hear me. Tell me you do. Every day a million times, just when I'm thinking of you.
That was quite scary walking through the village there, being trailed by 2 dogs, barking and growling, lots of others, and yeah, the whole village of dogs is going quite crazy because I came through. Oh dear.
Million times, hoping you hear me. Tell me you do. Every day a million times, just when I'm thinking of you.
Do you recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice? And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.